Hello friends. Okay, so this is looking quite messy. I'm trying to figure out the two things from here. The first one is the antique power supply which I purchased yesterday. This is HPC. It's high current pro SMPS from Antique, very reliable and stable SMPS. I've heard about this, and this is a 1300 watt SMPS. Okay, so this is working fine. Currently I've set up the system. It took a quite long time to set up all these things. And this is the motherboard from Biostar. It's TB250 BTC motherboard. This is the graphics card 1050 Ti which I have attached with it. Okay, so 1050 Ti, it's OC, overclock card. Okay, and this motherboard is having a 6 PCI slot. Okay, the quite different about this motherboard is that you will not find a VGA to connect your VGA monitor with this. So this does not have also the HDMI port. You need a DVI. Okay, so this one has a DVI only, and if you want to connect with this motherboard and you are having a monitor, VGA monitor, then you need to convert adapter for this. I have connected my monitor with this graphics card HDMI port, and I have purchased a converter for this. This is the white color converter from it is converting the HDMI port to the VGA, and this is the connection of the VGA monitor, and this is the monitor I do have. It's a VGA monitor. So currently I have connected my monitor with the graphics card, and it's giving my the output perfectly fine. This is the graphics card from Zotac. It's 1050 Ti. You can also check it from here. This graphics card is working perfectly fine right now. Okay, so this is some light issue. Light is not coming properly, but this is currently the fan is rotating, and this graphics card is working perfectly fine. The system is power on and everything is working fine. So there is no issue with the drivers and all that. You can also check all this stuff on the system as well. So you need to go to the monitor. From monitor you need device manager. Okay, so we have got the device manager over here, and in device manager you need to go to display, and in display you will find this, the Zotac 1050 Ti. It's a overclocked graphics card. If you want to check the property from here, you need to also check the properties and all the details of this graphics. This is all friends. I have checked the my newly purchased SMPS and the function of the graphics card 1050 Ti and the working of the Biostar motherboard. I have purchased this motherboard 2-3 months back, but it was not functioning after the down of my previous SMPS, and so it took so long time to set up all this step. It was not starting, so I reset the BIOS and all that. So after that it's functioning well right now. I do have SATA SSD 120 GB from Western Digital, so I'm working with the SSD storage, so it's all working perfectly fine. It's a system is coming up in within a minute and all that. And I do have a RAM of 8 GB from XPG. It's from ADATA, so it's quite advanced RAM as well. And one thing I would like to tell you more is that this Biostar motherboard has a unique feature of that you can attach a stick SSD, which I suppose that which is currently available in the market, but in future it will get boom. So it also has a slot to attach the stick SSD as well. So if you want to purchase this motherboard, you can easily go on and purchase this motherboard. It's because it do have a lots of unique feature. Disadvantage as well, because it does not has a VGA support and HDMI port as well to attach your monitor. So anyhow, all this system is currently working fine, and this is the Zotac graphics card which I have tested right now. It's working perfectly. It was previously working perfectly and all these components were working perfectly fine. And so if you do have any kind of questions regarding anything, any kind of component which I am using, in the description section I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Okay, and that's all from my end. Thanks a lot for watching.